Are you a website owner trying to climb the Google rankings? It's a common goal for most people, but in order to do that, you have to look beyond the surface. True SEO success isn't just about ranking for a number of keywords or driving a lot of traffic. It's about aligning with your business goals as well. Imagine this. Your website is ranking for thousands of keywords and you're driving millions of people to your website. Impressive, right? But if this doesn't translate to leads, sales, or revenue, is it really a success? At Stan Ventures, we'd like to redefine SEO success so that it aligns directly with your business objectives. That's why we're offering you an exclusive insight, the same insight that has propelled thousands of our clients to reach their true SEO victories, absolutely free of charge. Forget the one-size-fits-all strategy. You deserve a plan that is as unique as your vision. Whether it's on-page optimization, technical fixes, local SEO, or even quality backlinks, we will focus on what is required to make your business a true success. All you have to do is join us for a 30-minute call with our SEO experts, and we'll dive deep into your website to uncover the SEO opportunities that you may have left. At the end of our session, we provide you with a comprehensive, customized SEO roadmap, again, absolutely free of charge. This roadmap will be your guide to transform your website into a powerful business asset. And this isn't just about SEO. This is about empowering your website to reach its fullest potential. So what are you waiting for? Book your session today, and together we can unlock the true potential of your website. But hurry up, because you only have 30 slots left and they are filling up pretty quick.